Albury was right. I made marvellous headway and was able to leave the nursing home before the week was
Just room for one inside, sir.
Suppose I go on seeing things.
You weren't.
Listen, darling, I put it to you. There's only one way to cure me permanently, and that's to marry me. It's your professional duty.
You've got a hope.
Just room for one inside, sir.
What we call the psychological crisis.
Does that mean I'm going crackers?
My dear chap, of course not, of course not, of course not.
Oh, you can't say that, Doctor.
Of course not.
Quarter to 10, long past your bedtime.